but don't forget to always subscribe to my content, like the videos, subscribe, hit the bell button, and we get along with this. So today I will show you how to work with Vercel. So I'll first of all head to Vercel, just check, okay, and then to vercel.com. so it's like start deploying, get a demo. I will say sign up. So you need to create an account with Vercel, and your first deploy is just a sign away. Plan type, you can say I'm working on personal projects. You can put a name. I can say O&Dev. Continue. So what happens here is that we've got the different sites where we post our code. We have GitLab, Bitbucket, we have GitHub, and for my case we are using GitHub. So you can either proceed with email, or you can say proceed with GitHub. I like it proceeding with GitHub. You can say proceed with GitHub. It will bring you authenticating, so you need to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub account. So what happens is you need to authorize. You can say authorize Vercel, say okay. So here you need to put your number. I'm from Uganda. I can say 256, sorry. Can just choose my country here, from Uganda. Uganda. Okay, 256. Then add my number. So they will send a code to my number. The code is this 4504, yeah. And it will verify. So tell us a bit about yourself. You can add all this. You can primary goal is maybe deploying projects quickly. You can say e-commerce, you can some beginner, or you can skip. So after skipping, you get your Vercel account is set, and guess what, it's connected to your GitHub, and like install GitHub application for accounts you wish to import from to continue. Okay, we can say install, but then at this point I'll head to my Vercel account where I have projects that we are going to push, that we are going to host. So I'll come back here and say vercel.com, and these are the different projects I've hosted with Vercel. But then I'll come and say add new. So on your after all this, you can say you can import a Git repository. So you can since you're connected to your GitHub account, you can say you can install, and when you install, you'll be in position to see something like the different projects you do have. So when you come to new project, so taking long, new project, okay, this is I think what you have here, right? So I installed GitHub. That's install. When you tap install, you'll be in position to see all the projects that you have on your GitHub account. So what happens is you'll get one project. I think we have this GitHub demo project that we did, and I will come and say import. Then the project name remains. So which framework you're using, so you choose a framework you're using. I'm using Next.js. Here we've got Angular, Astro, Blizzy, Branch, React App. So it depends what you're using. If you're using Gatsby, Fast HTML, it's up to you. So you come and you just say deploy. So it will show you the progress. Deploying started, running. You can give it some time. So after the deployment, I think I have errors here, but never mind, we're looking at getting our project online. So I'll come and inspect the deployment, and after all this I will have something like this. I'll have my project hosted. So what happens is, don't mind the errors here. What we need is, I can do this. What we need is this. So we have our domains, and Vercel automatically assigns you domains the moment you host with it. So the moment you deploy with it, it will assign you domains. So I can get one of these domains. Okay, let me get a project with okay, I can head back and I'll get one project. Okay, move logistics, we can use this. So after deployment, and you suppose you have no errors, you'll have something like this. You'll have something like this. This is my site after deploying, and I have the deployment, I have the domains. So when I click the domain, it will automatically load and showing me this is the website that I've hosted with a custom mail, but with vercel.app at the end. So this is basically for Vercel. So this is it, and that is all to do with deploying to Vercel. Simple as that. And in the next video I will show you how to purchase a domain. I will use Namecheap, and then also show you how to configure DNS records, and then make sure your app is online. Stay tuned, don't forget to